All right, time to take a look at the 90-degree angle clamps. Comes with some gloves. So here it is, and this is fairly thick. This is a very solid piece of metal. I can tell just by holding it that this is aluminum, just because if this was steel, this would be a lot heavier. So this is actually perfect for being able to manipulate it and also for having that rigidity to not flex and hold true. You can see we got a gauge on the side, so we are metric over here and we are inches over here. This goes up to, it looks like about 5.5 inches and about 140 millimeters. The holes on here are spaced out about every 20 millimeters, so you can use that for putting in our clamps. So that is just going to drop in right there. We got this threaded portion that is going to hold this foot, and then we got a washer and a thumb nut that we can use to lock that down. You can see this will actually come out the end, so you can make that as tight as you want it to accommodate different sizes of boards. But one thing that's kind of neat about it is you can use it like this, so you can clamp from the outside, or if you want to, we can clamp from the inside. So that is plenty adaptable depending on the project you're working on. We can also see we have a total of 4 clamps. So that'd be 2 for this 90, and then we got 2 for the other 90. So I can take a couple of boards. Now I want to try to make it nice and flat, and then we'll just crush that in. Does not get any easier than that. Because we got 2 of these, you can see on the top it's lining up pretty well, on the bottom it's actually lining up fairly well too. But if we want to make it absolutely perfect top to bottom, we can just do the same thing on the other side. So there we go. Super easy, nice and flush. So yeah, those are some awesome clamps.